Hey there! Are you struggling with an Ethernet connection but no internet access on your router? Many of us rely on wired connections for more stable internet usage, but it can be frustrating when everything is plugged in and there's still no internet. In this guide, we're going to walk you through key troubleshooting steps on how to fix Ethernet no internet on your router and get you back online. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into more complex solutions, it's crucial to start with the basics. Ensure that all Ethernet cables are securely connected to both your router and the device. Look for any visible damage on the cables. Frayed wires or damaged connectors can impair your connection. If possible, try using a different Ethernet cable to rule out any cable-specific issues. A loose or damaged cable can often be the simplest explanation for a lack of internet connectivity. Step 2. Restart your devices. A simple restart can resolve many network issues. Start by disconnecting the power to your router, waiting for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plugging it back in. A router reset can solve temporary glitches that might be causing the connectivity problem. Following this, restart your computer or any other devices connected via Ethernet. This step not only helps in resetting the network settings, but can also clear any internal errors that are interrupting your internet access. Step 3. Check router configuration. Your router's settings play a significant part in your connectivity. Access your router's admin interface by entering its IP address in a web browser. Look for the network settings and make sure that the DHCP setting is enabled. DHCP automatically assigns an IP address to each connected device and is vital for internet access. Check if any firmware updates are needed. Outdated firmware can result in connectivity issues and is often overlooked. Step 4. Examine the network adapter settings. On your device, navigate to your network adapter settings. Ensure that the Ethernet adapter is enabled and properly configured. Right-click on the network icon in your system's taskbar. Select Open Network and Internet Settings, and then choose Change Adapter Options. Here, confirm that your Ethernet connection is active. Disable, then re-enable the adapter to refresh your connection settings. Additionally, updating the network adapter driver to the latest version can help resolve driver-related conflicts that may be disrupting your internet access. Step 5. Check for network conflicts. Network conflicts can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Ensure that there are no IP address conflicts between devices on your network. Use the command prompt to run ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew to refresh your device's IP settings. This can resolve any addressing conflicts and restore normal internet access. Step 6. Contact your internet service provider. If all else fails, the issue might lie with your internet service provider. Check if there are any outages or service disruptions in your area. Contacting your ISP support team can help diagnose if the problem is external to your network setup. They can walk you through specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your equipment and service, and can also verify if there are broader connectivity issues affecting the area. Troubleshooting connectivity issues when you have an Ethernet connection but no internet can be a hassle, but these steps can significantly enhance your chances of resolving the problem. Start with simple checks like verifying connections and restarting devices, then progress into detailed configuration and network checks. Remember, each step is crucial to zero in on where the problem might lie. Hopefully with this guide, you will have your Ethernet running smoothly in no time. Stay connected.